Happy Friday. Hey y'all, so we're getting ready for our community feeding. We're gonna have our Thanksgiving feeding on the 12th. So y'all know I baked the cake. So here's what you do. If you're gonna sell dinners or anything like that, I mean you can do. So what I do is I bake two cakes. I make two batter. I take two cake mixes and make that batter at one time. And last time I used 3 boxes of cake mix for every two things, but this time I'm just gonna do one. Just because. I don't know if it's the oven rub, but it was, to me, the cake was a little packy. I don't know. Maybe maybe something was above, was less than room temperature. Not sure. Anyway, so we like to season our chicken with the rotisserie chicken season. If you haven't tried it, it's really, really, really good. So I don't know if we're gonna do chicken and turkey. I think we might end up doing leg quarters and turkey. I'm not sure. I'm going to price some tomorrow. I went ahead and got this big thing of poultry seasoning because we got so much chicken. We can season the chicken with this. We can put, of course, I got to make cornbread dressing. And also, next month, we're going to do gumbo for Thanksgiving. I mean, for Christmas. Then I got the 2 things of rubbed sage. I'm doing 4 steam table pans. But anything we have left, this stuff doesn't expire until... Oh, that's not an expiration date on this. The expiration date is normally here. Let me see if it has anything on here. So see, we can have this through next holiday. And I think it's the same with this, because if this would be old, it would be packed, and it's not. But I need a date. So I'm going to have to reach out to Amazon on that. I had this left over, some triple chocolate Hershey's brownie mix. It's good, but we prefer the, what is it? Ghirardelli. So for the house. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. They substituted this, so I'm going to do that in a long steam table pan of brownies. Then my pastor liked the dark chocolate fudge, or I got the devil's food cake. And I got butter golden. They only had one, so I'm gonna buy. That'd be my donation. I'm gonna buy one another butter and another dark chocolate fudge. They didn't have any more at Walmart, so I'm gonna get them from somewhere else, because remember, I like to do 2 at a time. It cuts down on the baking time. See, because each one of these is about 45 minutes, so 45 minutes like that, and I'm off. The feeding is the 12th, and I'm off for Veterans Day, so I'm going to do all the baking that day. But anyway, I ended up with 4 lemons, 2 devil food, the pineapple, and the classic white. So for the butter golden and the classic white, I make the ice from scratch. I just do the butter, the bakery buttercream for those. For the pineapple, I'm going to do, I got crushed pineapple, and I'm just going to do like a glaze, mix it with just powdered sugar. And then with the lemon, and this stuff I had from the last feeding, for the lemon, I'm just going to do lemon juice and powdered sugar, make it like a paste. And devil's food, I got some Hershey's chocolate, and I'm going to make the chocolate icing for the brownies. Just a little thin icing on the brownies for this. And I made, well, everybody can't have pecans, so I'm not going to do the pecans on the brownies. I'm not going to do that. Just because some people may have peanut allergies and I'm not aware, right? So I'm not going to do that. Okay, y'all, that's it. So we're getting started. I got this today. Now I got to get the stuff for the dressing. And y'all, let me tell y'all how it works out for you. There's a store here that has 15 pounds of potatoes. 15 pounds now for $3.99. And they hardly ever have that sale. So I need to run and get that tomorrow. So I want to make sure I have it and they don't run out. So usually we do, I think 35 pounds of potato salad makes enough for 100. So I'm going to probably do 45, 15. I'm probably going to get 4 of them. That'll be 60. So I'm going to make 60 pounds of potato salad. So that'll be plenty. So we got, you're going to need to have leg quarters or turkey, potato salad, cornbread dressing, Sister Schubert rolls, and cake. And I think that's pretty good. And it's free. You just come pick up your plate. We're going to already have them packaged. There's no seating or anything because of COVID and RSV and all those things. But it's just our church's way of saying we love you. And want to make sure you have a Thanksgiving dinner. All right, y'all. That's it. And oh, these came from Walmart. I ordered these in. And this came from Walmart. And y'all know right now, the rub sage last time, when I bought it last year, I think I paid like $5 for this. This was only, I think, $2.77 or $3.77, one of them. But so right now it's cheap. So if you need to go ahead and get that for Thanksgiving, because the price may go down, but I doubt it. And a lot of times you can't find the rub sage. You can find the ground, though. I like the rub in my dressing. And that's it. I just want to share with y'all. Thank y'all. Welcome all my new subscribers. Make someone smile. Much love. Bye.
Work is almost over. Summer's getting closer. No time to be sober. Sunshine on my shoulder.